Hiya. Sometimes we all need a reminder, don't we, of just how far we've come. And lately I've been looking back on the last 8 really positive months since getting the campervan and re-engaging with life by travelling in it. I won't be sharing any particularly festive videos because I still find Christmas a difficult time. So I thought instead I'd share a compilation of all the travels me and Vanya have been on throughout the year. There are varying qualities because the earlier ones I didn't back up and I've had to download from YouTube. Anyway, have a great Christmas and thanks for all the support. Hiya. Excuse the lockdown here. I'm going to pick the van up today. It's the first real step forward I've taken since 2019 when my husband died. I've just been in this weird floaty existence state since then. And I can't stay there forever. I need to get back into living. Morning. I think I'm really starting to get the hang of this now. I was really warm all night. Slept well. Things are starting to sort of fit into place. I'm understanding things better. Okay, I've got myself some wind deflectors, Pico or Hecko. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, morning. You come out here and you just empty your head of everything that's kind of in it.
But it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee. But there's something holding on the way of being.
Buon appetito. Overton. I just came out for one of those little drives again. What I'll have to do is play some music over the footage because there's going to be a lot of wind noise. out in the morning and I'm already in Falkirk. Anyone would think I was excited.
I know I should have done this, should have quit this long ago. Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go.
Onwards! Hey, how's this for a park-up?
Can't stand another heartbreak, but it's time to let it go. It'd be easier for me if I turn away to flee.
Onward!
But there's something holding on in the way of being long gone.
I'm going to have my food later on tonight in the pub on my own and raise a glass to Bryan.
Another